Hello fam. What's up? In today's video, we are going to create this logo. Open the Pixellab app on your phone. You can download from Google Play Store if you don't have it. Set the guidelines to 15 vertical and horizontal lines. Don't forget to activate the magnet tool to allow snapping of objects to the guidelines. Click on the plus button and add a square shape. Change the fill color to black. Adjust the size to fit one width end of the guidelines. Adjust the height of the shape. Set the rotation to -45 degrees to the left. Position the shape this way. Copy the slighted shape and change the rotation to the opposite direction. Position it this way. You can turn off the guidelines to allow you position it accurately. Select the shape on the left and copy it to create a duplicate. Next, move the new shape over. You want the edges to just touch the previous shape. By snapping these together, we've successfully added extra width to the left side of our design. Take note of the white spaces on the design. Select the other shape and copy it to create a duplicate. Move and position at the right side just like you did before. This will serve as the width of the white space later on. Copy and duplicate the newly placed shape on the left and align as before. Move it forward a bit to touch the edge of the shape at the right. You can now delete this shape, we no longer need it. Click the plus icon and add a square shape. Resize the shape to cover the excess black shapes. Make sure the magnet is turned on to allow snapping to grid. Click the plus icon and add a circle. Reduce the fill opacity and add white stroke to the shape. Reduce the size of the circle and increase the weight of the stroke. Move the circle shape to the right and position it like this. Using the eraser tool, erase the stroke of the circle, leaving the part visible on the black shape. Click the plus icon. Click on the draw tool. Set the draw color to white. Use this tool to cover the black shape. You can increase the pen size to cover more areas. Reduce the pen size on getting close to the circle. Do not paint beyond the white circle strokes. Mark the first two shapes and the last shape. Click on the merge icon. Click on the OK button to merge the shapes. Select the merge object and then click on the erase color tool. Enable the tool to erase the white color in the selected object. Don't forget to increase the tolerance. At this point you can mark every other objects on the canvas. Click on the merge tool. To merge everything, click on the OK button. Select the merge object and then click on the erase color tool. Enable the tool to erase the white color in the selected object. Don't forget to increase the tolerance. Copy to duplicate the single merge object. Hide duplicated shape. Mark both shapes and merge them together. At this point, reduce the merge shape. To accurately scale this shape, turn on the grid lines, reduce the shape and ensure its proposition is referenced with the grid line. If you're just joining us for the first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and comment if you find this video and channel helpful. Once you're okay with the proportion, you can copy and duplicate the shape. Rotate the shape so that the bottom vertex is at the top. Position the top shape so that the white space in between the two shapes on the canvas form letter S, and the vertexes of the shapes are aligned. You can now merge the two shapes to form one complete solid logo. Position the logo icon to the center of the canvas. At this point, what's left is to give the logo a color. Feel free to color it your desired color. I'll give mine a green color. You can check the color code on your screen. I will change the background color to black to complement the logo color. Once you're okay with the design, you can save the logo as picture and as a project. Use the ultra quality before you save to your gallery. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't up to this time. Like, share and comment on this video if you find it helpful. Don't forget also to turn on the notification bell so that you can get access to see our newly tutorial videos. That will be the end of today's video. I'll see you in our next tutorial video.